how are you all? How it's going? The preparation, the lockdown period, this pandemic period. I hope everybody is fine. There would be some issues in everyone's family. Someone near and dear one would have got affected. Same with me, right? So we just need to maintain the motivational level and our spirit. Okay. So just don't be bogged down by this pandemic. You just need to stay safe for some more time. Good morning, Sony. Yes, yes. देखो, that is the beauty of life. Uncertainty को कितना भी क्यों ना हो जाए. The beauty of life is that we never lose on our human spirit, right? The spirit to live, the spirit to help, and spirit to connect to people. What happened in this pandemic? I am seeing the brilliant use of social media, right? I was also a bit of involved in a few of the, let's say, helping activities for the people, those who could not arrange for the, let's say, a hospital bed or something, although it was very tough. And I had to plead to some of my known ones to arrange few things. But this is the human spirit. Even for those people whom we don't know, we just get affected by a thought that some family can lose a member of his or her family. So that is the spirit of helping, right? And uh, I'm pretty sure every one of you would be doing the same thing, spreading awareness, helping out each other in the family and in your neighborhood and in your friend circle. Just recovered from COVID. Sandeepan, okay, I hope everything is fine now, and the after effect of COVID is the weakness, right? Do not take this after recovery, after you test negative, don't take this period lightly. Okay, you have to be quite serious as you were when you were positive. Okay, yes, post COVID fatigue will be there, so you have to manage that. You have to manage your positivity, right? Your intrinsic motivation, and at the same time you have to be a role model for others. The people, those who can see you fight this pandemic, come out of it well and fine, right? So you will become a ray of hope for those people, those who cannot get into the, let's say, वैसे ही इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तो बहुत चरमराया हुआ है अपने देश में आजकल. It is quite disappointing to see people running from pillar to post just for basic medical facilities, hospital bed, let be it, right? और ऑक्सीजन जो भगवान ने इतने abundant quantity में बनाया है, abundant quantity में, so in fact that is not available these days. अब इसको myopic leadership कहो, इसको ये कहो कि that the leadership and the people, those who were given the responsibility to foresee that how the second wave can unfold in the future, they were not able to predict, or whether the leadership took it lightly on the face of coming elections and the winnability of their candidates. Whatever be it, but it is quite shameful for us that a country which was doing so much of vaccine diplomacy, when the time came, the vaccine, now there is no vaccine hesitancy in the large section of the people. But what we are seeing is that the doses are not available, right? So hopefully the things will improve in times to come. And yesterday, you all heard a good news that the exam is being postponed. Dekho, Deepak, it is not completely right to blame the government. We are equally to be blamed, right? If all the section of the population would have been little more cautious when the first wave subsidized, right? When there was a slowdown in the first wave, what happened was that people came out of it as in it was some sort of celebration, right? And everybody was down with their guards. Nobody was seen around the mask, let alone the other things. So the vendors, the street vendors came out. They do not have any other opportunity, as in they have to come out. But at least the culture of hygiene is not there in Indian culture, right? The culture of being, what happens is when the crisis strikes us, we become damn serious. what happens is that we were given a clear cut mandate to wear out the mask whenever we are dealing with the public, whenever we are sitting in the offices, right? Whenever you are going out of your house. But people could not follow such simple advisories. So we are equally to blame. Not a good thing to blame government completely. But yes, large share of the blame has to be taken by the government, right? Because what we expect as a citizens of a largest democracy in this world, wherein there is no dearth of financial resources, that there is a lack of probably where the financial resources are going. You see every government, the large section of the financial budget is going to the advertisement, right? Is going to those activities which perhaps is not adding to the much needed infrastructure, the much needed human literacy, right? What we are having is literacy on reports. Everything is circulating on papers. We are having very good numbers, right? We are having very less number of deaths as compared to the population affected with COVID. Why? Because we are good manipulators. As simple as that, in crude words. And perhaps it happens in most of the countries. No country would like to throw out a very, let's say, a dim image wherein it is seen that there are hardly very few countries. There are hardly very few countries where the freedom of the press, the freedom index of the press is perhaps upheld in letter and spirit. In maximum of the countries, you will find that no doubt we encourage people for the freedom of press, for the freedom of speech and expression. But when it comes to the criticism of the government, what we see is perhaps a top-down behavior from the side of the governments. We are a nation of rule breakers and we enjoy this tag, it seems. We spit where it is written, do not. We paste our God. Perhaps very rightly put on Anil. But sir, isn't true that Praja follows the Raja when our leaders were seen violating all the norms? Isn't it natural that people will show same behavior? Adarsh rightly said. But देखो अगर कोई कुएं में कूद रहा हम तो नहीं कूदेंगे, right? It is always that we find the easier arguments out of a situation, right? Definitely, Prabjot, we would be discussing the strategy part as well, but as of now you people देखो क्या होता है. अच्छा, एक चीज मैं पहले तुम लोगों से 2-3 चीजें पूछना चाहूंगा. That now how when we know that the films is being deferred and it is going to happen in the month of the October as it happened last year, right? So what was your first thought when you heard the news of the postponement? In a socially desirable way, relaxed, right? अच्छा लगा, felt relieved. We are taking important 149 days, right? Mains ki preparation. Let's revise optional and ethics again. First thought, more time for optional finally, extra time for optionals, right? My thought was it was a good decision by government. मैं तो पक्का select हो रहा है इस बार. Very good. That's the confidence. Relieved and felt got time to revise optional. Well, get time for optional, right? Everybody is having the same answer almost. Any of you who felt devastated by this decision of the government or the UPSC? That my preparation was on the right track. अगर अभी हो जाता तो मैं अभी ही कर देता. Right. अच्छा, Vedangi, right. In fact, there was few people. No sir, not at all. Very good. ठीक है, ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. Few people spoke to me, so they were like, sir, बहुत अच्छा preparation चल रहा है, ये चल रहा है, वो चल रहा है, तो अभी हो जाना चाहिए था. देखो, हो जाना चाहिए था और क्या reality है, उसमें बहुत difference होता है, right? There are our expectations कि ये होना चाहिए, लेकिन एक होता है reality based decision. There is so much of gloom. अगर by the way मैं होता ना तुम लोग की जगह, I would have been completely relaxed for 1 week. और मुझे एक स्टूडेंट की बात सुन के बड़ा अच्छा लगा. He called me up in the evening. उसने कहा कि सर जैसे ही मैंने न्यूज सुनी मैंने राधे इस बैक निपटा ली. ठीक है, आई गेस कोई राधे सलमान खान की मूवी आई है कल, अगस्त स्टार्टिंग। नो प्रॉब्लम सोनी, वी विल डिस्कस इट। तो उसने टाइम की प्रोडक्टिव यूज कर लिया, उसने कहा सर मैंने राधे मूवी देख ली, और ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, राइट। डू नॉट बी बॉदर्ड अबाउट कि कोई चीज कुछ महीने पहले हो रही है, कोई चीज कुछ महीने लेट हो रही है। हैविंग सीन सो मच ऑफ ग्लूमी एनवायरमेंट ऑल अराउंड, अभिनम वी विल डिस्कस जस्ट फॉर अ सेकेंड, ठीक है। So what's happening is when we are seeing so much of gloomy environment all around that people, देखो social media देखो, phone calls देखो, relatives देखो, there have been relatives, those who succumbed to COVID. There were very few dear friends, those who are doing very good in their respective careers, right? And have reached a, let's say, a stage of a good standing in the society, whether be it the education industry or the tech industry or any other industry. They were doing very good, right? But I am sorry to share that people lost their life to a virus wherein they could have been saved, right? The maximum lives have been lost because COVID caught us unprepared. Many young lives, many, let's say, middle-aged people, those who had a bright career to come upon, who had the responsibilities of their younger kids, right? There have been family in you must have been heard about these instances that the kids have lost both the parents. Now, what would have what can be a better, what can be a bigger, let's say, thing in their life, right? There could be nothing beyond this, that a kid has lost both of his or her parents, right? So we do not have to be fixated upon the exam always. If we want to be successful in career, no, don't be fixated upon exam always, right? क्या होता है, एक तो एक तरफ से ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट, दूसरी तरफ से घर में पढ़ो 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 पढ़ो, राइट? व्हेन टू मेनी थिंग्स आर बीइंग इम्पोज्ड ऑन आवरसेल्फ, कभी कभी क्या होता है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन होता है। एंड दैट वाज कॉमन व्हेन आई वाज एन एस्पिरेंट, आई यूज्ड टू फील दैट वे, बिकॉज समटाइम वी आर इन सम अदर फेज ऑफ लाइफ, और वहां से कोई कहते जा रहा है पढ़ो 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 पढ़ो, राइट? एंड वी कैन नॉट शेयर few things with our parents, with our siblings, right? We can share with our friends, we are more comfortable in sharing with friends, with some of the cousin, let's suppose. तो उस समय क्या होता है, when somebody is continuously saying अब भाई एग्जाम आने वाला है, तो पेरेंट्स तो कहेंगे ही पढ़ो पढ़ो, उनकी तो ये मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, right? They want you to spend 25 out of 24 hours in studying, they would be happy in that, right? But the phase that we are going through is not particularly one wherein we can focus and concentrate on studies. That is my take. So this could have been the best decision on your part. Now, depends upon you that what opportunity you can create out of this decision of the government and the UPSC to defer prelims. I am saying this is, again, this is golden opportunity, right? Many of your dreams, those people who are going through this lecture know, many of your dreams would be successful this year. You will be seeing that in one or the other service you are getting selected, right? But जैसे नॉर्मली ऐसे कि हम 11th-12th में भी पीसीएम करें, पीसीएम कभी पीछा नहीं छोड़ता है आदमी का, राइट? व्हाट इज दिस पीसीएम नाउ? उस समय तो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स हुआ करता था, एंड नाउ इट इज पेशेंस, कंसिस्टेंसी एंड मोटिवेशन, राइट? पेशेंस, कंसिस्टेंसी एंड मोटिवेशन। ना पेशेंस का हालांकि हम थोड़ा सा एक दूसरा रूप देख रहे हैं कि धैर्य जो होता है, पैरासीटामोल, पी फॉर पैरासीटामोल, राइट? दैट इज द मोस्ट ऑब्वियस वर्ड व्हिच कम्स टू माइंड राइट नाउ। पेशेंस का धैर्य, राइट? सो आजकल जो हमने सीखा है, खासकर एस्पिरेंट सीरीज से, किसी ने एस्पिरेंट सीरीज देखी? नो। तुम्हें से किसी ने एस्पिरेंट सीरीज नहीं देखी है? देखो भैया देखो, जिसने नहीं देखी है वो भी जरूर देखे। यस्टरडे ओनली, ओके, बिल्कुल जरूर देखो। देखो, डोंट मिस आउट ऑन दीज मोमेंट्स ऑफ लाइफ। कुछ अच्छी चीजें उन्हें जरूर देखो, प्रिपरेशन चलती रहेगी, लाइफ चलती रहेगी, right? Sometimes this time will never come back in future. These moments will never come back. पढ़ो, जिस समय पढ़ रहे हो 8-10 घंटे सीरियसली एकदम पढ़ो, लेकिन 2-3 घंटे आराम से पढ़ो. ओके, सॉरी, 2 घंटे, 1.5-2 घंटे आराम से एंजॉय करो. देखो, एस्पिरेंट सीरीज से तो हमें यही पता लगता है कि कभी कभी आदमी को धैर्य जो है वो त्यागना पड़ता है सक्सेस के लिए. यही सीखा होगा तुम लोगों ने भी कि धैर्य को त्यागना पड़ा था, है? कभी कभी धैर्य को त्यागना पड़ता है सक्सेस के लिए. तो देखो कितना डीप सेंटेंस है ये. जिन्होंने नहीं देखी है, दे वोंट बी एबल टू कोरिलेट. तो वो लोग देखें, ठीक है, तब वो लोग समझ पाएंगे इस सेंटेंस की डेप्थ, कि क्यों हमें धैर्य को त्यागना पड़ता है सक्सेस के लिए. ठीक है, और ये जरूर देखना चाहिए तुम्हें. और दूसरी चीज क्या सीखी हमने एस्पिरेंट सीरीज से, कि हमेशा लाइब्रेरी जाके आंसर राइटिंग करने से जरूरी नहीं है कि सक्सेस मिल जाए. सीखा नहीं सीखा? इज इट टू डू विथ क्रिएटिंग एन अर्जेंसी? नहीं वेदांगी, ये तुम्हें देखना पड़ेगा. ओके, तो ये भी जरूरी नहीं है कि तुम्हें एक अच्छा पार्टनर मिल जाए और तुम लाइब्रेरी में खूब यू गॉट अ कंपनी एंड यू आर डूइंग आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस, राइट, तो उससे सक्सेस मिल जाए. ये भी जरूरी नहीं होता है. तो बहुत अच्छे लाइट मोमेंट्स हैं सीरीज के अपने. देखो, आई ऑल्सो वॉच्ड थोड़ा फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करके कहीं कहीं पे, बट इट इज अ गुड थिंग ओवरऑल. यू एवरी वन कैन कोरिलेट थोड़ा बहुत. यू कैन relive the moments of preparing in old Rajendra Nagar, right? And that is the hub of the civil services preparation. You must be knowing. I must say कि जो माहौल है ना ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर का, right, that is perhaps one of the best in the country that you can get. अच्छा, अब इसी चीज से मुझे दूसरी चीज बताओ, that owing to the lockdown that we are facing since March 2020, right, few periods of unlockdown, few months of unlockdown, let's leave it aside. लेकिन what I presume that every one of you is studying at home, ठीक है, taking online classes, watching YouTube videos, ये सब चीजें. What is your take? Do you think that in a competition like civil services, is it advisable, या फिर ये बेनिफिशियल है कि तुम घर से तैयारी करो, या जो लोग राजेंद्र नगर में रहे हैं, इज इट गुड कि तुम राजेंद्र नगर आके तैयारी करो? मतलब डू यू फील कंफर्टेबल प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर अ सच अ ह्यूज एग्जामिनेशन सिविल सर्विसेज, जिसका सिलेबस वास्ट है, जिसके इमोशनल रिपरकशन है, राइट? अब घर में कुछ अपने कंस्ट्रेंट्स रहते हैं, यू माइट बी दी ओनली चाइल्ड, ओके, तो तुम्हारा क्या कहना है? ORN वॉज गुड, घर पे पढ़ाई नहीं होती, नॉट इन होम, it is always good to be offline, right? I am a dead heart supporter of the offline studies, I tell you. ठीक है, ये मजबूरी है जो हमें ऑनलाइन करना पड़ रहा है. ORN was too good. I think हो तो ORN, if you can afford, we can study at home if there is conducive atmosphere. लेकिन शिवम, do you get conducive atmosphere? That is what I am asking. ये तो एक आइडियल आंसर हो गया. वेदांगी, but for classes offline is the best. Extra pressure at home. Agree. ORN was far better before pandemic. That's true. अभी तो खैर पूरा दिल्ली ही एक हॉटस्पॉट बना है. Shivan, depends upon us. Is it completely depends upon you? You are saying Delhi is better as compared to home. Gaurav Chaurasia. Okay. Shivam Avasthi, you saying that it depends upon us. ORN में पॉजिटिव मोटिवेशन मिलता है पढ़ाई करने के लिए. That's true. वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ ना. देखो, this is my understanding. Although my stay in Rajendra Nagar during my preparation was quite short. Depends how we take the benefits. So this time I didn't go to home at all, Adarsh. But for mains, I feel ORN would be a far better place. Okay, I felt ORN sometimes overwhelmed you with so many people. And देखो, हाँ ये चीज है कि इतने बच्चे दिखते हैं, so you can generate a certain kind of anxiety, right? But if we discuss the overall benefits, ठीक है, तो मैं ये कहूंगा कि एक प्रिपरेशन का हमेशा से अलग माहौल होना चाहिए. मैरिज प्रेशर फॉर गर्ल्स, अच्छा दिस इज अ न्यू डायमेंशन, ठीक है। एवरी गर्ल फेसिंग द सेम प्रेशर, मैरिज प्रेशर, I would not name the candidate. Wherever you feel pressure and relaxation, right combination, not anyone think too much. I agree with for girls, there is always some marriage thing going at home. Okay. Okay. Aaron, doesn't matter. We have determination. That's right. It's a little bit. I was back home in 2020 due to COVID, but I destroyed my competitive mindset. This is, देखो, this is the right answer. जो competitive mindset है ना, now this word is very important. घर पे क्या होता है कि एक कॉम्पिटिटिव माइंडसेट नहीं रहता, यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग, राइट, बट एक वो जो माइंडसेट, ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज ओनली अबाउट द माइंडसेट, कंपटीशन इज ओनली अबाउट द माइंडसेट. देयर आर नो आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड पीपल हु आर गेटिंग सिलेक्टेड. I have been guiding people from last 5 years and I have seen average people have equal chance to get selected. It is only about the competitive mindset and the PCM, right? Bit of patience, consistency and motivation. समझ लो. बट जो थोड़े बहुत देखो घर के कुछ पॉजिटिव्स हैं, एज वी ऑल नो, कि पका पकाया खाना मिल गया, लेकिन एडिट कपड़े धुल गए, ये सारी चीजें हो गई. कुछ गुस्सा आया कभी तो मम्मी पापा को भी सुना दिया. हम लोग ऐसे ही किया करते थे बचपन में कि गुस्सा आ रहा है तो घर पे कोई और है नहीं तो चलो कुछ बोल के बाहर निकल गए, ठीक है, राधे भैया की तरह. तो एक बार कमिटमेंट कर ली तो फिर अपनी भी नहीं सुनी, राइट. लेकिन जो कुछ थोड़े से निगेटिव ट्रेट्स हैं घर में रहने के, वो ये है, एक तो कॉम्पिटिटिव माइंडसेट, दूसरा कॉन्टिन्यूअस प्रेशर, राइट. नाउ अ पर्सन कैन गिव his or her best performance when they are devoid of pressure. Unnecessary क्या होता है देखो घर पे, when we see our parents, when we see them so involved, एक kind of unseen, unforeseen pressure gets created. This is the biggest drawback when we are at preparing from our home, right? यहाँ पे क्या है, रहते हो अपना कॉम्पिटिटिव माइंडसेट रहता है, अच्छा रहता है, राइट. लेकिन ऑफलाइन स्टडीज, home food is always a blessing, that's true, right? So when you are studying in a secluded environment which is meant for competitive preparation, इसीलिए तो देखो एंशिएंट टाइम्स में ये होता था, राइट. घर से ले जाया जाता था बच्चों को इन देयर टेंडर एज, व्हेन दे वर इन देयर फॉर्मेटिव ईयर्स, ले जाके पढ़ाई का जो स्कूलिंग होती थी वो डिफरेंट हुआ करती थी, राइट, सो दैट द कंप्लीट फोकस कैन बी डिवोटेड टू द कॉम्पिटिशन. आई अग्री कि राजेंद्र नगर में आके थोड़े बहुत फैक्टर्स हैं जिससे हमारा फोकस और कंसंट्रेशन बिगड़ता है, जो एस्पिरेंट सीरीज में भी देखने को मिलता है. तो अगर वो आदमी कंट्रोल कर ले, देखो, इफ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग डज एवरीथिंग अंडर कंट्रोल, वी कैन एक्सेल इन आवर फील्ड. दैट्स ट्रू, राइट. एक गाइडेंस होती है, जैसे कुछ लोग क्या है, वो कुछ पर्टिकुलर ऑप्शनल सिर्फ मेंस देने में है, दे आर नॉट एबल टू गेट सिलेक्टेड, राइट. तो ये एक गाइडेंस, एक मेंटर का काम होता है, एक फैकल्टी का काम होता है, टू इंस्टिल a confidence in the candidate that if you are not getting selected with any particular optional, you have the abilities and rather to do better with some other optional, right. ये बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. इसी बार कुछ बच्चों ने बात करी, so I asked them to change their optional, right. So having said that, this was very important question to discuss because I also got the idea. I am avid supporter of the offline classes and offline studies, right. जैसे कि मैंने कहा मजबूरी है तो ऑनलाइन में करना पड़ रहा है, बट ठीक है, जो लोग दिल्ली में नहीं है कम से कम उनके साथ इंटरेक्शन हो जाता है, राइट. ये सारी चीजें हैं. नाउ कमिंग टू कि जो हमें ये टाइम मिला है, हाउ टू यूटिलाइज दैट. वैसे तो मैं कल से ही देख रहा था यूट्यूब पे, तो बहुत सारे वीडियोस आ गए हैं, so it does not make much difference if I talk to you right now. लेकिन फिर भी I will share with my experience मैंने देखा नहीं है, अगर तुम लोग कुछ यूट्यूब पे भी वीडियो चेक करना चाहो चेक करो. एक्चुअली व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज देयर इज abundance ऑफ वीडियोस व्हिच इज बीइंग सीन, प्लेंटी ऑफ वीडियोस. आई डोंट नो कि आदमी को क्यों ये डिजीज लग गई है कि हमें बोलना है बोलना है बोलना है, राइट? यूट्यूब पे जाना है. जब हम लोग भी थे ना तो इतने यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस आते थे, तब भी आईएएस बने, आईपीएस बने, लोग अब्रॉड गए पढ़ने, दे वर बिकमिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, राइट? एवरीथिंग वाज देयर despite the multiplicity of the channels and multiplicity of the videos for in fact trivial doubts. इतनी छोटी छोटी चीजें डिस्कस हो रही हैं दैट समटाइम आई फील स्नैचिंग माय हेयर्स अगर कोई वीडियो सजेशन में आ जाता है यूट्यूब के. ठीक है, देखो, अ गुड टीचर इज वन हु टेल यू वेयर टू लुक बट डज नॉट टेल यू व्हाट टू सी. अगर कोई ऐसा कर रहा है ना, सो दे आर ट्राइंग टू पैरालाइज यू, not only for exam but for life. I completely hate this dependency creating syndrome, this tendency of the people to create so much of dependency wherein for every trivial thing the people have to come to ask you. No, एक बार बताओ, रेगुलर बताओ जरूरत पड़ती है तो, लेकिन उन्हें देखने दो. एस्पिरेंट्स को खुद करना चाहिए, राइट? Right, no real value with abundant videos. Sir, please number importance of Gurukul, right? That is what I was discussing. ठीक है, चलो ये बाद में पढ़ेंगे. नोएडा had joined library. That's good. Before the situation became worse, so I never really had the problem. Okay, ठीक है, घर पे अगर लाइब्रेरी का सिस्टम है, कुछ मैसेजेस अगर मिस हुए, so I guess वो हम बाद में, इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेजेस अगर मिस हो गए तो वो तुम लोग मुझसे बाद में बता देना. Oh, Harleen, you are also there. Good to see you, dear. After a long time. Too much spoon feeding on YouTube. That's true. Okay, they actually consider you a 5-year-old kid, which I cannot digest. Too much of spoon feeding. It is actually goes well for my kid, who is just 1.5 years old, right? And he doesn't like me studying at all. He wants me to play with him all the time, right? So whenever he catches hold of my phone and laptop, he is of the tendency कि बस उसे throw करना है everything. Now see, कि what this enjoyable stage he is in, wherein there is no materialistic attachment, no attachment to things of value, right? No attachment to any other thing, but only attachment is to human relations. Whenever I am going out of his sight, he starts crying, right? So only attachment. Now this is how God made us. At this stage, what happens? अगर कोई स्क्रैच लग गया मोबाइल में, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वुड बी, ओह, इज माय मोबाइल ओके, इज माय वॉच ओके, राइट? कहीं किसी ने मोबाइल गिरा दिया, कुछ टूटा तो नहीं, राइट? सो दैट इज परहैप्स द मोस्ट enjoyable stage of a human, wherein I am also enjoying with him, because अपनी तो स्टेज की याद रहती नहीं है किसी को. ठीक है, अच्छा अंबुज, ठीक है, हम इस क्वेश्चन पे आएंगे. फ्यू डेज ब्रेक लेना, इज इट ओके? बिल्कुल, 2-3 दिन का ब्रेक लो, राइट? और 2-3 दिन के ब्रेक में सोचो कि क्या करना है. चलो अब थोड़ा सा एकेडमिक चीज हो जाए. तो मेन थिंग इज दैट व्हाट टू फोकस नाउ एंड हाउ टू प्लान डेज अहेड बिफोर 10th of October, right? देखो शिवम, what you can do is whenever you have to connect to me, dear, you just drop a message to the official number, right? Because at time what happens, no, if there are too much of messages in my number, I lose track of all those things, and that will not be a good thing at my part कि तुम लोग मैसेज करते रहो और वो मिस हो जाए, because already there is a huge number of messages which go unaddressed, right? क्योंकि WhatsApp है, Telegram है. लेकिन होता क्या, अगर if office people know that you want to talk to me or discuss something, they will note it down, and today or tomorrow or day after they will connect you to me. They will not lose track, right? So this much of liberty, you have to give it to me, right? ठीक है. अब देखो, as I said that we have got this golden opportunity to successfully clear this exam this year itself. Okay, but there are certain strings attached to it कि अब हमें क्या करना है. That is the most important question for this open webinar that we are going to discuss. Then if you have some specific doubts, we can take it, obviously, right? So we have two things, prelims and mains. Okay, what I would like to tell you is, do not completely abandon the prelims preparation. Even for only 2 hours, you keep track of prelims preparation on daily basis. Because what will happen if for 2 months you completely abandon prelims, then there will be a certain kind of inertia, right? There will be certain kind of inertia again to pick up prelims. So better let's not come into that situation wherein we are feeling certain kind of problem again to pick prelims related stuff. What you have to do, just for 2 hours and 2.5 hours, including newspaper, do not lose track. देखो last time भी यही हुआ था. If you people know कि जब prelims postpone हुआ, कुछ questions उस period से current affairs के आए थे, right? So I hope you people are aware of the trend. Okay, so ये न्यूज़पेपर नहीं छोड़ना है बिल्कुल. Keep a track of newspaper for half an hour or 45 minutes. You pick up the news which is important for prelims, make a note of it, because again there will be 3-4 questions from this period. As UPSC knows that every institution now is coming with a mains strategy, with a program for mains, right? And maximum people would be going for that. So deliberately they would put some questions from current affairs of this period. So first thing, do not miss out on newspaper. Even if you are doing monthly current affairs of any institute, my suggestion is please do not miss out on the newspaper. Just look on the heading of the news, some stuff with a very quick glance. अगर तुम्हें लगता है ये stuff पूछा जा सकता है prelims में, make a note of it. Okay, one is this. Second, one subject related to prelims as far as static part is concerned, right? Now this is the time wherein if you are less prepared in, let's suppose, ancient Indian culture, right? Or let's suppose any other area. Some people do not like preparing environment or geography. They lack in geography. This is the time wherein you can pick in a time-bound manner, let's suppose 1 week for ancient India book, another week for medieval India book, right? Another 15 days for geography. Now in this 1 month, you have relatively covered few of the important areas for prelims. Will it not add to your prelims related confidence? So what we have to do, there are two elements. One, prelims related confidence. One is mains related confidence. One is your prelims related preparation. One is your mains related preparation. So your prelims related preparation will give you prelims related confidence. So after a month and after 2 months, you will have a desired level of confidence in prelims, thinking that, okay, I have covered these many books with complete confidence and honesty. So that is why I am telling you not to miss out on prelims preparation. You must continue for 2 to 2.5 hours on daily basis. Then let's suppose you are keeping a 10-hour schedule for your preparation, and that is more than enough. If you can do it honestly, I tell you, 10 to 12 hours is more than enough for any competition in this world to conquer, if you want to conquer it. Okay. Now, and also in this prelims related preparation, 1 week of the day must be set for MCQ practice 1 day of the week, right? That 1 day of the week, probably you can skip on anything else, mains related stuff, prelims related stuff, right? Newspaper. So Sunday ka newspaper is not that important. Sunday ka newspaper is not that important. You can keep the MCQ practice day as Sunday. Practice previous year questions of UPSC in half of the time. देखो अब साइंस का इंपॉर्टेंट है दैट यू डू इट, राइट? आई एम नॉट सेइंग टू कंप्लीटली लीव इट. इतना ये ट्रिवियल चीजें हो जाती हैं, देखो, दैट इज व्हाई, राइट? सो हाफ ऑफ द टाइम 3 hours, 3.5 hours for past year UPSC papers, 3.5 hours for any prelims test series question paper, right? So this is prelims related strategy, right? But my sincere suggestion, do not leave it completely. Now coming to mains, two things, GS and optional. If you are keeping 7 hours for mains, give 4 hours to your optional, right? 3.5, 4 hours you are giving it to your optional. Quickly start revising, consolidating, and answer writing. Now you know your current level of understanding and command on your optional. I am telling you, dekho, without 270 marks, at least 270 marks in your optional, don't cultivate a dream of becoming a civil servant with a good rank. ठीक है, AFHQ वगैरह में जाना है, डेफिनेटली वो हो जाएगा, ठीक है? आर्म्ड फोर्सेस हेडक्वार्टर में जाके आराम से वहां पे साउथ ब्लॉक में बैठ के आराम से काम कर लोगे, वो हो जाएगा. लेकिन IAS बनने का ड्रीम जो है वो फिलहाल त्यागना पड़ेगा हमें, ठीक है? अगर ऑप्शनल में 270 लाने का मादा हम लोग नहीं रखते हैं, ये बात ध्यान रखना, राइट? 270 लाने के लिए मिनिमम क्या चाहिए? कंटेंट चाहिए. ऑप्शनल में कंटेंट की इंपॉर्टेंस ज्यादा होती है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू GS. in GS, with average level of content, you can get decent marks if you have the skills. But in optional, wherein the professors, university professors, those who have specialized knowledge in their specific areas, let's suppose mine was psychology. So psychology professor from so and so central university or state university is coming to evaluate the papers, or the sociology professor from so and so university coming. You cannot fool those people, for God's sake, right? So do not be in your illusionary world that with average content in optional I would be able to score good marks. नहीं, optional में अच्छा content चाहिए होगा. So if you feel that तुमने कहीं से कोई अभी गाइडेंस नहीं ली है, कोई क्लासेस नहीं करी है और खुद से प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, और 1% भी आयोटा ऑफ डाउट है that you lack content and command in optional, do join some classes. This is the time, because prelims के बाद you will get less time. लेकिन ये classes ऐसे होने चाहिए that these classes should not create too much of pressure on you. At the same time, कि 6 days a week class चल रही है and you are not getting time for other stuff, right? So if you suppose that you have a political science optional, there is a crash course which is coming. देखो होता क्या है ना, sometimes when we are preparing from our home and at our own place, हमने एक अपने comfort zone में है, हमने एक अपने notebook बना रखा है, we feel that is the thing which we have to do, और उतना motivation नहीं आ पाता है to read that thing again and again. There is a certain kind of boredom. So here the role of faculty and the classes comes in, to be frank, ठीक है? So we remain in our comfort zone that we have this much of content, और बार बार पढ़ने से ना देखो बोरिंग तो थोड़ा बहुत चीजें हो जाती. So if you feel that you need to add some value and enrich your content, do not shy away from joining any sort of crash course. Let me tell you very frankly, right? This is not the promotion and anything, This is completely dependent upon your preparation level. If you feel that तुम में से किसी ने मान लो पहले मेंस दे रखा है, you have already scored 270 marks, no need to join crash course. What you need is just the revision and some consolidation. लेकिन अगर तुम में से किसी ने मेंस दिया हुआ है, उसके 190 और 200 210 स्कोर रहा है, then I think you should sincerely think on joining some sort of crash course. Let's suppose कि और दूसरा उसके बाद थर्ड स्टेप आंसर राइटिंग. कंटेंट बहुत अर्जित कर लिया, but we lack in presentation, we lack in the use of standard vocabulary, whether be it in GS, whether be it in optional, right? Optional में specific vocabulary from the optional becomes more important. In GS, generic type of keywords are important. So if you feel that you are completely prepared in your optional part now, go for answer writing. And in these 2 to 3 months, right? अभी देखो तुम्हारे पास half of May है, and then June, July, August, September, right? These 2 months, basically, you have to mix your prelims and mains. Then in the last 2 months, probably, then only just 1 hour for mains. For 1 month, then last month only for prelims. तो इससे क्या होगा? You will never lose track of prelims preparation. You will start gaining some bit of confidence in mains preparation, which will increase your performance in mains examination. Right? ये हो गया ऑप्शनल का पार्ट. नाउ कमिंग टू जीएस पार्ट. जीएस में मैं माय एडवाइस है, सबसे पहले एक बार थोड़ा लो हैंगिंग फ्रूट्स पे फोकस कर लेना. एथिक्स एंड एसे, राइट? देखो, एज आई टेल यू पीपल अगेन एंड अगेन, even I know that you might have heard it before, right? कि you can afford every day to be an average day in civil services mains examination, but you cannot afford one day to be a bad day, or you cannot afford one session of mains exam to be a bad session, because that will pull out of you out of the selection list. Now, our focus should be on making every day to be an average day, then 1 or 2 papers or 3 papers, little bit more than average. Nobody can stop your selection in final list, even after interview, I am telling you. ठीक है? अगर तुम्हें बहुत language hesitancy नहीं है, if you can speak to the board in a frank manner, then I suppose you can become a civil servant. देखो, ये मेरा real assessment है, not to motivate you, because I know this is the question of career. This is the advice which I have incorporated in me when I was preparing, right? This is the advice which I shared with other people, those who are selected now. Okay? लेकिन कुछ चीजें जरूर होती हैं which goes against us, like optional, as I told you. ठीक है? In my case, there was no one to guide and to instill so much of confidence in me that even after giving multiple attempts in this optional, you can take other optional. We never thought of that decision actually. But in hindsight, I really repent. If there would have been a mentor to tell me correctly that if this is the trend of UPSC, because I don't know whether people are really applying their mind, their judicious mind in this teaching line, or they are completely just forsaking every responsibility with respect to the students. If that is the case, that is a sorry state of affairs. If I only have the responsibility to come and teach, and without taking your interest into account, probably in long run I would be failing. My conscience would be failing me, right? But if someone has no remorse, no conscience at all, they can continue for longer time. Okay? So that is why I am so confidently sharing with you people everything which I learned from my own experience. I shared with others. Other people changed optional, right? In earlier years also they got selected. This year also I asked 5-6 people to abandon their earlier optional. Now we will see the result in coming years. Okay, this thing. Now coming to the GS part, I told you first of all focus on the low hanging fruits, ethics and essay. quickly revise and make your maximum 10-page notes in ethics, 5 or 6 or 10-page notes in essay, which you are going to use in mains examination. ठीक है, देखो एक चीज तुम्हें बताता हूं मैं कि कितने जो टॉपर स्टॉक वगैरह होते हैं, इनफैक्ट टॉपर्स को भी पता नहीं होता है कि सिलेक्शन क्यों हो गया, कैसे हो गया। जो बच्चे का नहीं हो पाता उसको नहीं पता लगता है कि क्यों नहीं हुआ, मैंने इतनी मेहनत करी थी, सब कुछ ठीक जा रहा था, ये हो रहा था, नहीं पता लगता है। इसके लिए एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए। यू हैव टू हैव सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, राइट? और ये इनसाइट से डेवलप होता है, तो तुम लोग खुद के अपने इनसाइट डेवलप करो, राइट? तो इसमें अगर तुम लोग को लगता है कि एथिक्स और ऐसे में हमें कहीं प्रॉब्लम है, नहीं लिखा जाता, सबसे पहले तो लिख के देखो। अब फिर क्या करो, सेल्फ असेसमेंट, देन गो फॉर पीयर असेसमेंट, देन गो फॉर फॉर्मल असेसमेंट, राइट? सेल्फ असेसमेंट जरूर होना चाहिए, राइट? एंड ऐसे एंड जस्ट रीड इट आउट. Do you feel that it is coherent, it is meaningful, it discusses varied dimension which are required from a civil servant, not a general writer? Mind you, you are writing the exam of civil services, right? So your essay must be different from a essay written from a guy coming from a common public, right? It must discuss the topic from various dimensions, from various meaningful and logical dimensions. अब एक ही तार को पकड़ के खींच के बैठे एकदम एंड तक, तो नंबर भी फिर खींच के ही आएंगे तुम्हारे, देख लेना, एकदम बता रहा हूं। ऐसे में बहुत तुर्रम खान होते हैं जो 90-90 भी लेके आते हैं, 80-90 वाले बहुत होते हैं, राइट? डोंट टेक माय वर्ड्स अदरवाइज, बट ये सब तुम्हारे बेनिफिट के लिए है, ठीक है? देन and I really sincerely hope that you do not fall in the category of these तुर्रम खान्स जो सिर्फ ऐसे के बलबूते ना बाहर हो जाते हैं, सॉरी, जो ऐसे के बलबूते बाहर हो जाते हैं, 80 नंबर लेके आ गए, बाकियों में ठीक ठाक आ रहे हैं, बढ़िया, पूरी साल भर जीएस पढ़ी है, ऑप्शनल दे के पकड़ के एकदम रगड़ दिया, ऐसे में बिल्कुल ढेर हैं, चारों खाने चित, बिल्कुल एकदम बहुत फ्लाइंग कलर से बाहर हो जाओगे, पूरा 1 साल प्रिपरेशन आगे होगा, राइट? तो कुछ चीजें हैं जो ऐसे में ध्यान रखनी पड़ती हैं। ऐसे के लिए क्या करना है, ऐसे देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन, ऐसे व्हाट डू वी इंक्लूड, द एनेक्डोट्स, फैक्ट्स एंड कोट्स, सब चीजें होना चाहिए। देखो, सबसे पहले निष्ठा, जो ऐसे की स्ट्रेटेजी है वो मैं तुम्हें क्रिस्प में बता दे रहा हूं, ऑल्दो वी वुड बी स्टार्टिंग विद, सॉरी माय नेटवर्क नॉट टू सपोर्ट द वेबिनार, नो प्रॉब्लम सुचित्रा, इफ दैट इज द केस यू मे लीव डियर, you need not feel sorry, because if the network do not support the webinar, probably we cannot do anything in that case, right? You may very well discuss with your friends, if there was anything your friends might have jotted down, you can share, you can ask them to share with you, okay? So what happens is, in essay, yes, I was discussing, although we would be starting few courses for mains like essay and ethics वगैरह, लेकिन तुम्हें ना एक क्रिस्प में मैं स्ट्रेटेजी बता दे रहा हूँ, you need not join if you feel confident, you need not join any classes, I tell you frankly. essay में first of all, it is the extension of your GS answer in some respect. Let's suppose one of the essay would be on academic topic, scholastic topic, education, health, women, science and tech, culture, history, right? अब इसके लिए I cannot go and write with a blank head. I must possess certain kind of knowledge about the condition of women in the past, condition of women in the medieval times, condition of women in the present times, what are the challenges women are facing, what are the problems women are facing, what are the desired solutions, what government is doing, what are the basic facts and figures, wherein I can justify my argument, because a common man would be writing only arguments. By nature we are argumentative Indian, we speak a lot, जैसे मैंने बोला ना, बोलने की बीमारी लगी हुई, देखो अभी मुझे इतना बोल रहा हूं, ठीक है, बट एटलीस्ट फिर भी मैं बहुतों से कम बोलता हूं, राइट? तो क्या है कि बोलो पर अच्छा बोलो कि लोग कुछ सीखें। एक तो ज्ञान, और दूसरी बीमारी मालूम है क्या है? ज्ञान की बीमारी है। एक पता नहीं, जैसे ही सोशल मीडिया का इतना फेम बढ़ा है, लोगों का ज्ञान भी बहुत बढ़ गया है। Sometime I go to Twitter, no, so I walk down by everybody sharing knowledgeable quotes, ज्ञान ही ज्ञान शेयर हो रहा है, और उस फ्लो में मैं भी कभी शेयर कर देता हूं। वाई टू लीव बिहाइंड? भाई हम क्यों पीछे छूटे, राइट? तो हम भी शेयर करते हैं, फिर ले इसका कोट, ले उसका कोट। ये पता, ये बीमारी है कुछ टाइप की, आई टेल यू। इस बीमारी से बचना है, तुम्हें भी और मुझे भी, राइट? सो कमिंग टू ऐसे, पहला मैंने तुम्हें बताया, स्कॉलस्टिक टॉपिक के लिए यू मस्ट पोजेस सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट। वो कंटेंट कहां से आएगा? उसके लिए बुक नहीं पढ़नी, उसके लिए जो हम न्यूज़पेपर कर रहे हैं, राइट? और अगर तुमने कोई क्लासेस करी हैं, उसमें से कुछ अच्छी चीजें निकाल के, एक पेज विमेन का, एक पेज एजुकेशन का, 1 पेज फॉर हेल्थ, ऐसे करके मटेरियल निकाल दो। फिर इन्हीं सब से रिलेटेड 4 या 5 कोट्स, 4 या 5, राइट? अब कुछ चीजें तो चलो क्लास में डिस्कस होंगी, क्योंकि अगर यही सब कुछ डिस्कस कर दिया तो क्लास की इंपॉर्टेंस क्या रहेगी? ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत रेवेन्यू भी चाहिए होता है चीजों को चलाने के लिए, राइट? सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, कि ये हो गया ऐसे का, तो ये चीजें तुम करना शुरू करो। अच्छा, फिलोसफिकल ऐसे के लिए क्या करोगे? अब फिलोसफिकल ऐसे के लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो, देखो, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हो, राइट? व्हाट यू कैन डू, what you can do for philosophical essay is to change the approach here. You cannot prepare content. So as far as the philosophical topics is concerned, you have to have certain kind of approach here, because we don't know what philosophical topics would come. And why UPSC is giving philosophical topics? Because UPSC knows there is too much of content available in the market for the people now to memorize. Now they know that answer writing skills, the real test is when we will give philosophical topic, the true picture of the person will come out, the true picture, what he or she thinks, right? I may be a great grammar, कि मैंने सब कुछ रट दिया है, जो जो सर ने बताया, मैम ने बताया, सब कुछ रट दिया, लेकिन अब आ गया फिलोसफिकल टॉपिक, वेयर देयर इज अ विल देयर इज अ वे, राइट? इफ यू आर ओके आई एम ओके। अब ऐसे फिलोसफिकल टॉपिक्स आ गए, तो यूपीएससी नोज कि यहां पे आधे से ज्यादा जनता only at the sight of the philosophical topic would be flat. They cannot handle philosophical topics. So what you have to do, how to generate content for philosophical topics? You have to think out of the blue, out of the box, right? Create certain kind of wisdom, right? जैसा हम normally discuss करते हैं ना, various dimensions, philosophical topics में भी यही करना है, थोड़े philosophical ideas लेके आने हैं, राइट? कि कहां कहां इनको और ऑब्जेक्टिव चीजों से कनेक्ट करना है, कि वेयर देयर इज अ विल देयर इज अ वे में सबसे पहले इंडिविजुअल को कनेक्ट करो, कि ऐसा इंडिविजुअल एग्जांपल या अपनी खुद का एग्जांपल क्रिएट करके, कि वेयर देयर इज अ विल देयर इज अ वे shows that even with the indomitable will, if an individual wants, they can achieve any feat in the life, even at the face of the adversities and challenging circumstances. Then come to the society, that when the Gandhian mass movement started, there was a will to what? Deal with the untouchability, to remove untouchability. And that was seen after independence in the in our constitutional legislation. फिर कंट्री के एस्पेक्ट में लिखो कि कैसे किसी छोटी कंट्री ने विल पावर दिखा के हाईएस्ट पीक हासिल किया है। फॉर एग्जांपल इजराइल, वेयर इन दी कंप्लीट चारों तरफ से देर आर हॉस्टाइल नेबरहुड, but still Israel is the benchmark for the countries to look upon. Even though I agree with the notion that they have too less of population, ठीक है, but population must be taken as an asset, भाई। इलिटरेट भी लोग हैं, ठीक है, तो उनको भैया किसी अच्छे काम के लिए यूज करो। अब गड्ढे खोद के वही भरवाते रहोगे तो गड्ढे ही बनेंगे सब, फिर क्या कर लेंगे बताओ। भैया कुछ यार बढ़िया काम करवाओ, अच्छे लोग जाओ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में। ये चीज हो गई। तो फिलोसफिकल टॉपिक्स में भी अलग अलग डायमेंशन खोलने पड़ते हैं, ठीक है। कुछ फिलोसफिकल टॉपिक्स का हम लोग क्लास में देखेंगे। तो जिसको भी, लेकिन देखो सुनो, जिसको भी लगे कि हम इस एरिया में वीक हैं, डू नॉट टेक इट लाइटली। क्योंकि जब मेंस मिलने का मौका मिले ना, तो मैं कहूं कि चौका लगा देना, तब मौके पे चौका लग जाना चाहिए। फिर ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि यार बस मेंस दिया। यू नो, जब मैं तैयारी कर रहा था ना, तो क्या होता था, लेट मी शेयर यू वन स्मॉल इंसिडेंट। वी यूज टू गो, देयर वाज वन लाइब्रेरी इन दिल्ली। तब ये राजेंद्र नगर के लाइब्रेरी कल्चर नहीं था फिलहाल, ठीक है। तो एक सीपी के पास एक लाइब्रेरी हुआ करती थी। सो वी फ्रेंड्स यूज टू मीट देयर वंस इन अ वीक टू डिस्कस आर इंटेलेक्चुअल एक्विजिशन, जो हमने वीक में पढ़ा है, और फिर हम उसमें अपना हाथ ऊपर रख के दिखाते थे कि देखो ये चीजें कर रखी हैं हम लोगों ने, ठीक। वन फाइन डे वी मेट एन स्टूडेंट, राइट, ही केम टू अस, चाय वाय पी रहे थे हम लोग। So how he introduced himself to us. I have written 3 mains in UPSC mains. ठीक है. Now this was something we never expected. क्योंकि हमने कभी इसे अचीवमेंट नहीं माना कि अगर हमने मेंस लिख लिया और हमारा सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ इंटरव्यू देने के बाद भी, वी नेवर टोल्ड समवन दैट कि यार इतना मेंस इतना इंटरव्यू. नाउ दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ माइंडसेट. It is no achievement, I tell you, to write 6 mains, to give 6 interviews and be out. There can be an achievement in this thing. There can be an achievement in this thing when in 6 attempts you gained lot of insight and lot of experience to share with large number of people. I gained certain experience in certain areas while I was preparing. I confidently share with other people and it is giving results. तब तो फायदा होगा. लेकिन अगर तुम सिर्फ ये शो ऑफ के लिए दिखा रहे हो कि मैंने इतने मेंस दिया, इतना इंटरव्यू दिया, देन इट इज अ वेस्ट ऑफ योर टाइम एंड वेस्ट ऑफ अदर्स टाइम. डोंट बोस्ट अबाउट एनीथिंग. वेटिंग फॉर द गोल्डन चांस टू राइट. दैट इज व्हाई निष्ठा आई एम टेलिंग यू, जब मेंस लिखने का मौका मिले मौके पे चौका मार दो. अभी ये तैयारी करने का टाइम है. लो हैंगिंग फ्रूट्स हैं. 500 मार्क्स एथिक्स और ऐसे प्रिपेयर हो जाएगा. लॉट ऑफ बर्डन विल बी टेकन आउट ऑफ योर हेड, राइट. और ये पूरा का पूरा गेम जो 500 नंबर का है ना, ये तुम लोग अगर खुद करना है तो 1 महीने में कर लोगे, अगर इसके नोट मेकिंग वगैरह करना है. जिसने मेरी एथिक्स की क्लासेस पहले कर रखी हैं वो नोट्स रिवाइज करे कुछ चीजों को, राइट. अच्छा, ओके ओके. recent example of the lady boasting writing mains while arguing with Delhi traffic police over mask. ओके ओके, that lady जो हस्बैंड और वाइफ वहां चले गए थे जेल में. अच्छा, ओके ओके. अब बताओ कि if that is the case, that after writing UPSC mains people are arguing with the police that they will be left and they will be left to ignore the law and avoid the legal diktats, right, or legal principles, then perhaps God can save us from such people. I sincerely hope that such people should not enter the administration who do not have any respect for the constitution and any respect for the legal principles, right. You must be a good citizen, as our late Supreme Court justice used to say, C Rajendra Babu, before anything else, right, before excelling in any area in life, one must be a good human being. And I wrote this quote in my essay. Till this date I remember. There are wisdomful words that come out of the few legal luminaries, few scholastic people, right. So जब भी न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हो ये चीजें नोट करो, यही ऐसे में काम आती है to add value. Okay, फिर ethics के लिए I was saying all those people who have attended my classes, just go through the notes, right, and attempt few previous year papers. First of all, self assessment. If you have any friend, peer assessment, then formal assessment. If you want to write few tests, you can write those who have taken admission in GS mains, we will get it evaluated, right? But all those people who have not taken any guidance in GS, including ethics and essay, and if you feel little nervous in these particular areas, I would say that there would be batches starting, right, for 21 and 22 people. You can very well enroll in that. Don't shy away. Okay. Now coming to your, I have told you, revision, consolidation, and answer writing. Same has to happen in your optional. In optional also, pick up your notes, jo units, all those units which are the questions from which are frequently repeated in UPSC. First, pick up those units, the lengthier units, the important ones, the relevant ones. Pick up those units. Again, हर यूनिट के 5-6 पेजेस में नोट्स, सो दैट ये डुएबल होंगे व्हेन द मेंस कम. Mind you that you won't be able to revise 2-3 booklets just before your optional exam, right? So start preparing notes from the lengthier and the important units with respect to mains. Again, the same principle applies. If you are not confident in optional, if there is some crash course, if there is some answer writing course, you must go ahead with it. Because the opportunity to write mains, देखो प्रीलिम्स का तुम करोगे अगर अच्छे से, और प्रीलिम्स का भी स्ट्रेटजी सेशन भी होगा, वो थोड़ा लेट करेंगे, नॉट एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, राइट? अभी से फिर वो चीजें भूल जाओगे, वो लाइव रख करेंगे, ठीक है? अगर तुम चीजें सही से करोगे, प्रीलिम्स वुड बी मैनेजेबल. What I want to add from my side, if you get an opportunity, a golden opportunity to write mains, you must then look out for a place in the final list. So don't shy away from anything. कि यार अभी मुझे दो attempt भी दे दिए हैं, but if you have not scored beyond 250, 260 in your optional, and if you have not written mains and you are not confident in कि मेरे पास वो value enrichment है, problem what is happening is that everybody is having the same content. Right? I am seeing in psychology, there were few psychology students in our test series. What we found is same level of points, same immature examples. That is why we thought of, on the request of the students, to start with a psychology optional crash course, which would be which I guess is being launched in first week of June. Right? So all of those who have psychology optional, you can go through the course material. Right? And definitely it will help in enriching your content. Answer writing would be discussed during the lectures. I would also be taking few lectures. Then Ravika ma'am would be taking majority of the lectures. But the content is something which you will not find at average places. Right? That is something. Ethics would be starting again in the first week of June, Archit. Right? So this is the case. And essay is starting from 26th of May. Right? So this is the thing. Now, if you have certain specific doubt, quickly ask me. देखो इसके जो ये था ना एस्पिरेंट सीरीज के संदीप भैया मुझे बड़े पसंद आए. मतलब वो जीते जागते इमोशंस हैं. हिस्ट्री ऑप्शनल CSAT suggestion. Sandeep, CSAT suggestion is that if you are weak in CSAT suggestion, what you can do is, Sandeep, first tell me, देखो एक एक करके डाउट लेता हूँ. Sandeep, first of all, tell me, how do you think that Divya, could you please repeat late CGI quote? C. Rajendra Babu. CGI name was C. Rajendra Babu. He quoted, before anything else, we must try to become a good human being. Right? So I took classes of PSI, and should I again join as PSI is dynamic, or I should capitalize on my own? Shivam, have you written mains? First of all, tell me. Right. So देखो, have you joined answer writing test series? Shivam. Right. How you are doing in that? Anushka, definitely society internal security for mains during this time. Internal security should not take more than 2 days. Right. There are certain dimensions related to internal security, the Northeast situation, the Naxalite situation, right? There are certain divisive energies which are working in our society, which is creating fissures in our society. So internal security is the accumulation of knowledge of all these areas. This should not take more than 2 days and more than 4 pages. Then again, society wala part. Few keywords are required for that. Test series I am performing fair. Shivam, if you are doing good in PSIR, I would suggest then revise and consolidate if you are doing good. Right? That is your assessment. How to cover time management, Shakti Mishra. We discussed about time management. I will repeat my schedule again. Hold on. थोड़ा सा देख के. Simran, I will see how many MOSEP classes are remaining, right? If any MOSEP classes are remaining, we will definitely do that, right? Hold on. Any tips for increasing reading efficiency? Often becomes a struggle to read sometimes. It has become slow for many now who have been preparing since last few years, right? Dekho, reading efficiency, this is a nice question and logical question, right? So what we have to do is when when we have to cover, let's suppose few good reading material and few good books, right? What I would suggest, Indran, here to increase your reading efficiency and reading speed, what we need to focus in that our reading perspective should change, right? What happens is we read word by word, page to page, right? Now if I foresee that this paragraph is not adding any value, without bothering about the paragraph, just skip it. If you see that these lines are, देखो मैं तो ऐसे ही books cover करता हूँ अभी भी. If I see, no, if I have to apply too much of mind in the sense that these lines are not making any sense, they are not adding any value, right? I won't be able to use them anywhere because they are not correlated with any of the area of the UPSC preparation. I skip that. So when you skip few unimportant things in the page, in the book, reading efficiency increases. Otherwise, there is no as such practice to increase reading speed, right? Book list for ethics, dear. Your if you have done some coaching, your coaching notes, institute notes would be enough. And one book you can pick for ethics would be, as everyone is doing, lexicon, not more than that. Then basically your ability to create unique examples, to generate good example, and your answer writing skill, right? That is important. That content differentiation is important in every area. If you are writing the same bogus content which everyone is writing, you will get the average marks. But if you have certain unique content in ethics, in essay, in your optional paper, in GS1, in society question, in internal security, right? So then perhaps you can get the brownie points, right? As in, when I used to give exam, no, there was a quote by Chanakya, or perhaps a 4-point strategy was given by either Chanakya or someone else. I don't remember the name. I'm poor in remembering. So there are 4 types of internal security issues. Internal security, right? Externally aided internal security, internally aided external issues which have an impact on internal security, right? And completely external issues. Now, our situation with Pakistan on the northwestern border also have certain kind of repercussions in internal security. Are you able to correlate this point in your internal security question? Is yet to be seen, right? Is any situation in Northeast can create divide in society, can create difficulty in making inroads in the society, is yet to be seen whether you will be able to correlate it, right? So all depends upon the content differentiation. और रोल ऑफ फैकल्टी कहां पे आता है? जिसको थोड़ी अकलमंदी होती है कि क्या वो तुम्हें ऐसा कंटेंट बता पा रहा है जो कि थोड़ा सा अलग है। लेकिन फिर तुम लोगों ने ये नहीं करना चाहिए कि कहीं अच्छी क्लास ज्वाइन करी और वीडियो शेयर करने लग गए, नोट शेयर करने लगे। भैया बहुत मेहनत से बनती हैं हर चीजें, उसको पहले अपने लिए रखो, अभी से फिलैंथ्रोपी में मत आओ। जब सिविल सर्वेंट बन जाओगे तब कुछ करना। अभी डियर हिंदू वीकली फोकस ग्रुप अभिरम, नाउ यू कैन नॉट ज्वाइन बट यू कैन ज्वाइन पीएफजी, right? How to be secure that our personal strategy is catering to the needs of the exam. देखो इतना तो हमने स्ट्रेटेजी पे ही डिस्कशन किया है। अब पर्सनल स्ट्रेटेजी विल डेफिनेटली केटर टू द एग्जाम व्हेन you are following these steps with certain bit of tinkering, because every individual is different. I do not say that follow my words verbatim. You add your value addition into your strategy. Think over it that I am more weak in ethics, I should give more time to ethics. I am more weak in optional, GS is okay, giving more time to optional. And how you can validate your strategy, as in when you are covering significant portion of your optional on daily basis. That yesterday you read about, let's suppose, some theorist in political science. Today you are able to recall 50% of it. It is not like you have forgotten everything that you did yesterday. I can afford that because I don't have to write exam again. You cannot afford that. अगर एक वीक पढ़ने के बाद यही हवा नहीं लग रही है कि लास्ट वीक क्या पढ़ा था, इसका मतलब गलत स्ट्रेटेजी है। ठीक है? सुब्बा राव, देखो शिवम, मैं तुमसे नहीं कहूंगा सुब्बा राव वगैरह पढ़ो, देखो डियर, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, ठीक है? यू नीड नॉट रीड सुब्बा राव एंड ऑल। सिलेक्शन के लिए तुम्हारे ये 2-3 चीजें सफिशिएंट है। समरी ऑफ एआरसी रिपोर्ट, राइट? कुछ लिखने की स्किल्स हो गई तुम्हारी, राइट? फिर तुम्हारा कुछ थियोरेटिकल एस्पेक्ट हो गया, बिकॉज हमें ना एथिकल फिलोसफर नहीं बनना है। देखो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे व्हाट मैटर्स इज द सिलेक्शन, राइट? तुम्हें हार्वर्ड में पढ़ाने थोड़ी जाना है माइकल सैंडल की जगह, है? चिंता क्यों कर रहे हो सुब्बा राव? सर टेल समथिंग अबाउट द एनवायरमेंट बुक, इज द शंकर आईएएस बुक रेलिवेंट? देखो एनीथिंग रिटन बाय लॉर्ड शंकर is always relevant, right? So some bit of portions of this book are relevant, but largely again I would tell you here that what you do not have to miss out on is the एक तो environment portion from the NCERT. There are 3-4 chapters in biology NCERT of class 11th, I guess. These 3-4 chapters are important. Then any far-reaching legislation in the environment. अब देखो कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है। न्यूज़पेपर में आता है सेंट्रल पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड, तुम्हारे अंदर क्यूरोसिटी होनी चाहिए सीपीसीबी फॉर्म्ड अंडर विच एक्ट? न्यूज़पेपर में आया नेशनल ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल ने ये कहा, तुम्हारे अंदर क्यूरोसिटी होनी चाहिए एनजीटी वाज फॉर्म्ड अंडर विच एक्ट, राइट? ऐसे करके अगर चीजें देखोगे न्यूज़पेपर में, हाफ ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर कमिंग फ्रॉम न्यूज़पेपर। व्हाई दीज बुक्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज ऑफ द स्टैटिक कंटेंट। डायनेमिक कंटेंट तो रोज चेंज हो रहा है, देखो स्टैटिक कंटेंट है। अब स्टैटिक कंटेंट में तुमने कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट जो तुम्हारे नेशनल पार्क्स हैं, कुछ वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज हैं, राइट? कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें तो तुम्हें रटनी पड़ेंगी, और इसका तुम्हें ना देखो कुछ निमोनिक्स बनाने पड़ेंगे, आई टेल यू। और मैं यही एग्जाम्पल बार बार सबको देता हूं, जब मैं याद करता था नेशनल पार्क वगैरह, तो कैसे याद करते थे हम लोग? वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, ये सारी चीजें, कुछ कुछ चीजों के नाम बना लिए। अब तुमसे मैंने पूछा नाम दफा सेंचुरी किधर है, मैंने उससे नाम पूछा, उसने बताया अरुणाचल, राइट? बुक्सर कहाँ है? कि बॉक्सिंग करने वहां गए। तो ये निमोनिक्स अगर एक बार रेडी हो जाएंगे ना, तो कुछ चीजें तुम्हारा मेमोरी ओवरलोड कम हो जाएगा। और ये स्टैटिक कंटेंट के लिए शंकर आईएएस की बुक इज ओके। ओके, राइट। जो तुम्हारे रेयर स्पीशी पूछ रहे हैं यूपीएससी वगैरह, वो तो डियर डायनेमिक कंटेंट से पूछा जा रहा है, वो डायनेमिक कंटेंट से पूछा जा रहा है। न्यूज़पेपर पे ध्यान दो, देखो मैं तुमसे ये बोलूंगा, राइट। एनी अदर इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज, एनी अदर इंपॉर्टेंट डाउट? शुड वी प्रेजेंट नोट्स फ्रॉम द हिंदू फॉर मेंस टॉपिक्स? शिवम देखो, मेंस के नोट्स जो हैं हिंदू से, वो तुम रिलेटिवली लेस बनाओ, बट आई वुड सजेस्ट यू, एक तो as far as mains related notes is concerned here, what I would suggest you कि एक तो 10-15 आर्टिकल्स को हिंदू से, जो फार रीचिंग आर्टिकल्स हैं, एजुकेशन पे बहुत अच्छा आर्टिकल आया, हेल्थ पे आया, विमेन पे आया, इनको कट करके रख लेना, बिकॉज राइट आफ्टर योर प्रीलिम्स एग्जाम in 1 week you can read out these 10-15 articles which will create avid memory and clear memory about few things, राइट। तो वो चीजें ना तुम्हारे दिमाग में इंप्रेशन क्रिएट कर देंगी। व्हाट हैपेंस इज, देखो सबसे तो बड़ा जो ड्रॉबैक है टू रीड मटेरियल एंड कंटेंट फ्रॉम करंट अफेयर्स मैगजीन इज बिकॉज वी मिस आउट ऑन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट पार्ट। ऑल्दो दे पीपल आर राइटिंग व्हाट इज द कॉन्टेक्स्ट, इतने से कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं बनता। जब हम न्यूज़पेपर में एडिटोरियल पढ़ते हैं ना, तो वहां पे ब्रॉड कॉन्टेक्स्ट दिया होता है, एक प्रॉब्लम को 4 जगह से कोरिलेट किया रहता है। तो वो चीज क्या होता है, दैट इज एनालिटिकल वे ऑफ रीडिंग आर्टिकल। व्हाट हैपेंस इन करंट अफेयर्स मैगजीन, मैकेनिकल वे ऑफ रीडिंग आर्टिकल। नाउ मैकेनिकल वे रिक्वायर्स मोर एनर्जी, मोर मेमोराइजेशन पावर, राइट, एंड मोर एरिया इन आवर मेमोरी। वाइल एनालिटिकल रीडिंग ऑफ द आर्टिकल, एक बार पिक्चर क्लियर हुई, कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ, वी विल रिमेंबर इट एंड वी कैन यूज इट एट आवर विल, कहीं भी। So that is the difference. Gaurav, your doubt is how to attempt SNT questions. वो dear हम देखो, it is not the agenda of this lecture. उसके लिए prelims strategy session होगा in September, right? Sir, can we skip world history and post independent for post pre? देखो मैं तो ये कहूंगा वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री और इंडिपेंडेंस, पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस में 10 दिन देके अभी खत्म कर दो। विजय, right, just give 10 days for post independence and world history and thematic preparation अभी कर दो। what will happen, एक तो इस बार कम दिन मिलने वाले हैं मेंस के लिए, तो प्रेशर पैनिक में नहीं होगे, राइट। CSAT, दीपक, if your CSAT is weak, talk to someone in the office, they would give you access to CSAT lectures if your CSAT is weak। दीपक नायक, कुछ शिवम, कुछ एडिटोरियल देखो, 10-15 एडिटोरियल तो कट करने पड़ेंगे। अगेन वाई अंडरस्टैंडिंग वाई इज इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज अगर तुम अपने क्रिस्प नोट्स बनाओगे ना, वो इतना इलेबोरेट वे में कल हमें याद नहीं रहेगा। अब कितनी देर लगती है 10 एडिटोरियल पढ़ने में? जब हम प्री के बाद पढ़ने बैठेंगे ना, 2 दिन में हम 10 एडिटोरियल पढ़ लेंगे। लेकिन जब वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट, एक लार्ज पिक्चर क्लियर होगी, इट विल हेल्प यू टू मच, राइट। ट्रस्ट मी, कुछ 10-15 आर्टिकल्स के लिए जरूर ऐसा करना, रेस्ट के लिए तो तुम क्रिस्प नोट्स बना सकते हो। प्रभजोत, एज आई सेड नो, कि देखो डियर, डज इट मीन 10 days entire focus should be on this, on that? Yes, when I'm saying 10 days for world history and post independence, that means that entire focus on world history and post independence है, nothing else, फिर नहीं हो पाएगा अदरवाइज। और पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस में मैं तुम्हें एक चीज सजेस्ट करूंगा, थोड़ी सी देखो, तुम लोग को ये लगेगा कि व्हाई टू डू इट, राइट, बट आई वुड सजेस्ट यू रीडिंग फ्यू चैप्टर्स ऑफ इंडिया आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस बाय बिपिन चंद्रा। दैट विल गिव यू conceptual clarity for the things after independence. Few chapters, not again page to page. If you want to score good marks in mains, few chapters of Bipin Chandra, India after independence, will help you immensely. Yojana and other magazines not required, not at all. Prabjot, as I said dear, I have too many messages on my phone which goes unresponded and unattended. If you want to talk to me, dear, why not go surest way? You just drop a message on the official number, they would connect to me. You will be not missed out. If you want कि मुझे मैसेज करके उसका मैसेज नहीं आए, then I can share my number. India Yearbook 2021 to be read? Not at all. Let Modi ji read it. Right? वैसे भी the content of these books is not coming good under the present regime. So you don't have to do it. और stay connected with the people. During एक चीज और सजेस्ट करूंगा. हाँ, ऑफिशियल नंबर मैं सजेस्ट कर देता हूं. प्रभजोत, प्लीज राइट 9990356664. See, one of our student also shared 9990356664. अब तो ये रट जाना चाहिए, ये हॉटलाइन नंबर है तुम लोग के लिए, राइट? फॉर सिविल सर्विसेज एस्पिरेंट दिस इज हॉटलाइन नंबर 9990356664. Even at 2 in the night, if you want something to text, कोई नहीं मिल रहा टेक्स्ट करने वाला, इस नंबर पे कर दो. Thank you, Bhavisha. You made my work easy. That's true. Sir, how many, sir, ethics and essay classes will have how many sessions and what might be the timing for the classes? Ambuj, ethics essay classes का dear जो है, essay classes में around 10 lectures होंगे, 10 to 12. Ethics में around 17-18, right? Timing we will decide. Sir, I have not read ARC report till now for ethics. Can you suggest how should I go through it? Just read it summary, original summary. Anmol, original summary, not summary by any institute. Okay, the original summary has to be read, right? And as I was telling you, people, stay connected with the people. See, at these time of pandemic, you never know who needs you. Even a simple message, is everything okay, right? Are you fine? Does wonders. ओके कोई भी है, मैं कुछ स्टूडेंट जो मेरे में है, कभी कभी मैं कर देता हूँ, या कुछ पुराने जानने वाले, right? So at least लगता है कि people are connected, because you know it is not the distance that separate us, it is the silence, right? Distance never separates us, it is the silence that we assume. And let not your silence become curse for anyone. ठीक है? Speak out at the right moment, speak out to the right people in the right manner, in the positive frame of mind during these times. Kyunki it is not only about if we probably what I told you during this ethics lectures, अगर पब्लिक सर्विस में से पब्लिक ही हटा दिया जाए तो सर्विस का कोई देखो इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं बचेगा, राइट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we have to become good human beings. Talk to people, your neighbors. Text कर लो, जाने की जरूरत नहीं है कहीं को जाके, राइट? तो ये चीजें हैं. रेस्ट as it is said, there is no right time, there is no right time, all you have is right now. Prepare your strategy, foolproof strategy, right? Whatever you are not sure of, probably start doing it. Join some classes, join some crash course if you want, but do not miss out on the year. Time is money. Do not focus on some 10, 20, 30,000, right? Dekho, it is about career, and any small step at times. If I would have gathered the courage to quit my optional, even after 2-3 attempts, probably I would not have been sitting here. Or you may take it otherwise, it was a destiny for me to come into this line. I could not get selected, right? But I learned from my failures. I never let them go waste. Just a second, there is one more doubt. Doubt बहुत पूछते हो तुम लोग. Next time से मैंने chat box देखना ही नहीं है. Chat box में लिखते रहना और मैं पूरा perfectly ignore करूंगा. Sir, one does the crash course in psychology with the full consistency and has desirable level of prerequisite knowledge and intelligence, then can a score around 300 be ensured? देखो, content of these classes would be such that you can score 280, 290, 300. Content is going to be the key factor. With content, I told you, you must have requisite answer writing skills. If one does not have the content, only answer writing skills, probably some chance to get selected. If you have too much of content, no answer writing skills, it is a waste. So others, answer writing skills are equally important. Content जो key factor है, content differentiation in lecture से हो जाएगा. Then we will be discussing, there would be some answer writing sessions or answer writing discussion that ma'am would be taking along the classes. तो वहां से कि कैसे कंटेंट जनरेट करना है, कैसे इंटरकनेक्टिविटी ऑफ द टॉपिक करनी है, कैसे साइकोलॉजी पेपर 2 के आंसर लिखने हैं, कैसे पेपर 1 पेपर 2 की इंटरकनेक्टिविटी करनी है, कैसे इंटर टॉपिक कनेक्टिविटी करनी है, दैट ऑल वुड बी डिस्कस्ड. So psychology is an interesting topic. I saw some videos where people are making it quite bored. Okay, so I was very much shocked. Sir, a doubt: do the compulsory English and Hindi paper need some time? Abhi nahi, Simran, not at all. The compulsory ones are the easiest ones. English में कोई जरूरत नहीं है, और हिंदी में क्या किया करो, एक अपना अगर कॉपी है, कभी कोई हिंदी में वर्ड पढ़ते हो, सिंपल स्ट्रेटेजी बता दूं तुम्हें, कुछ हिंदी के वर्ड्स लिखने लगो. एज इन क्या वर्ड्स, जैसे सेक्युलरिज्म को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे, डेमोक्रेसी को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे, इंस्टीट्यूशनलिज्म को, इंस्टीट्यूशंस को क्या बोलेंगे, राइट? तो इन सब चीजों को जब तुम लिखोगे, कल तुम हिंदी में एक स्टैंडर्ड वोकेबलरी यूज कर पाओगे, एग्जामिनर देखेगा. क्योंकि जब हम हिंदी लिखने बैठते हैं, वी हैव नॉट बीन इन टच फॉर लास्ट 7, 8, 10 years. देन प्रोबेबली व्हाट डज, जो हम हिंदी बोलते हैं ना, वो वैसी नॉर्मल हिंदी आ रही होती है, ए बे ये वो ऐसे करके. तो दैट इज नॉट मच अप्रिशिएटेड, राइट? सो आई होप इट इज डन देन, क्वाइट अ गुड interaction, or did you find it boring? Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your precious time and advice for us during these days of turmoil. I would be always be under your watch. Kindly allow me to leave the session. Will leave always. Short, dear Bhuvan, you may leave it now. I know that. Take care of your parents, right? For replying to the queries and putting things into perspective. That's great, dear. If you are benefit even few in few aspects, I would find myself justified. The session would be justified, and that is what I learned. I want to share, right? But I don't like, to be true, dekho, I don't like too much of making too much of videos. I already told you that when I see in YouTube and suggestions too much of videos are coming, no, that I sometimes feel disillusioned. That why people are doing too much of activity. Let people prepare on their own. Let them get strong-willed. Let them get honest in their preparation, right? But I don't know, this is the culture that is developing. Chalo, rest, I will take leave. Good day to all of you. Take care of yourself and your parents and near dear ones. And as I said, it is not the distance that separates us, it is the silence. So don't be silent. Speak out to your friends. Make their day better as well. Okay? I will take leave now. Good day. All the best. God bless you all.